Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I've got something interesting for you iPhone users. I'll be showing you how to change the control center on your iPhone after the iOS 17.1.1 update. To start customizing your control center, head over to your iPhone settings. Scroll down and look for the Control Center option. It's the second one from the top. Tap on it, and you'll find a list of included apps and controls. Here, you can add or remove applications in your control center. Let's say you want to add the alarm to your control center. Tap on the plus icon next to alarm to add it. Now, when you swipe down your control center, you'll see the alarm there. If you want to remove an application, tap on the icon next to the app you want to remove. Let's remove the alarm, tap remove, and it's gone. Let me demonstrate. Here's how I've customized my control center after the iOS 17.1.1 update. It's a simple and effective way to have quick access to the controls and apps you use the most. So, there you have it, a quick and easy way to change your control center on your iPhone after the latest update.
If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future content.